fish. Well, there you go. Would you look at that? Welcome to the New Fly Fisher. I'm your host, Jenna McEwen, and in today's episode, I am in beautiful Algoma country, the guest at Northern Skies Resort.
When you live here, that's your life every single day.
Owners Robin Sutherland and Fred Post are the fourth generation to run the property.
It's not a hobby, it's not something that you do on the weekend.
Most of the spots that you fish in Northern Ontario when you're fly fishing in a small stream, they're really tight. There's brush all around and you can't get your fly out very easily. But once you get it out, you can just push it out.
Oh, on. Ah, nice. That was exactly where you said it was going to be, Tristan.
Here.
Tristan Jarrett. An outdoor enthusiast and a passionate angler, Tristan was eager to help us explore the many rivers near Northern Skies Resort.
There's always a learning curve, and I just truly believe on every fishing trip, you have to learn something. That's always a goal.
I'm learning how to roll cast.
There you go. As long as you're learning something.
I see I'm going to live to regret this.
I had the chance to sit down with Mikey, whose family has owned the Northern Skies property for generations.
Tourism is in my blood, right? What do we have at 33 years we lived here. Raised these guys, and now my stepdaughter's taking it over. So we try not to change the feeling of the old-time resort. You know, there's no TVs in the cabins. They've put internet in, which is what people demand these days. The graphics of the lake hasn't changed. The majority of the cabins on the lake, they're third and fourth generation. The kids come back and the grandkids come back, and now we're into great-grandkids, and the people are kind of keeping with the spirit of the lake.
Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful speckled trout. Oh my gosh. Woo! This might be the largest wild speck I've ever caught. This is why you come to Algoma. Holy cow. Let me see if I can even get him up here. Do you see how big this fish is? It barely fits in the net.
That's a beauty.
I get to live here every day, and I couldn't be more grateful for that.